steps far away may stray, I shall love thee ever be where'er I may.
Ulaman ikaw, ginamu ipalapatak ko. Olapaw na puto, idento kako, natata natamam mo na, inibatang munyo, kaya nga awang soto kayarigan, ipakime malo, ulaman ikaw, ginamu ipalapatak ko, parelangan nakwan, tumanoli kayo tapangyanan, hari ako kaptaman, aya munyo nenang, kaputa kuruk nga, awan to kagitang, maen kanoka, aya nga tanakwan, pare nakwan si koso galaman. Hari ako kaptaman, aya munyo nenang, kaputa kuruk nga. Imama takerulem piangane yana mapabaw na sinole tadavunaw aniko kunay kuruktu aru ilapaw nga si minuvu talugaraw tasikaw lataday pinili tadalikaryo kanabagi nui aya ko nikaw tanabine nga agaw inyari ko paman Tasiga na nga at taman Hinenamaku Tu ilipem nyo Himataman natun Amin naggalalo Karuang akit daw ako nikaw Ti pa makomang so ikunaw Ineso pamururong Taimam mo wagi na putum Gagange gare ng mga ya Nga kumagak awan tupaya Magalektan na biyang lugar Takweba awan sa karebal Magalektan na biyang lirum Nga kweba awan sa kabulon Nui aya nikaw Tanabin nga agaw Inyari ko paman Tasiga na nga at taman Hinenamaku Tu ilipem nyo Himataman natun Amin naggalalo
Ola po ang makayaya Ngay nemi-emian na mata Paray nagwantuwari ka matay Tape manayo kagugam
We have quesadillas and nachos. We need like 3 of those. The nachos are literally all for me. Well, that's not for me. Okay, so alright. He doesn't even eat nachos. That's what I'm asking. If you want.
They have nachos?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my own. And they like. It's like the NBA drink.
Hindi, pisahan na ninyo.
Liam, are you sure you don't want anything else?
Para ayan na.
I'm eating like 3 of these slices of 16 inch. You're eating most of it? Yeah, I'm eating most of the pizzas. The pizza's pretty big. With this, I just want like 1 slice, if not less. Oh, it's 16 inches. Yeah, no. The pizza's gonna be big. And then you want the chicken sandwich, right? Yeah, that's mine. Oh, whatever. Oh, Lee's eating like most of it. Liam and I are on side, those like rectangular plates. Anyone want this? Do you want this?
Ay sindi arimangemi Talapaw mas kinusindi Makapapaw ka nga sinolay Nagavu nawawato ka kunay Ola pawa maka Tape manayong kagugamay ay sindi arimang embi Talapaw mas kinusindi Makapapaw ka nga sinolay Kagavu nawawato ka kunay
Sama-sama tayong bumahon ng may saya at maging tulay ng pag-asa. It's showtime!
Bisita from all over the world.
Friends from the other parts of the world.
Yes, hello.
Hi guys, welcome to Showtime.
That's my relatives.
Your relatives? No.
Why?
Your nose is different.
Sorry.
You're from Texas.
Special guest tayo ngayon, kaya naman let us all welcome Sinang Liga Asham!
Hi! Yes, you have something to share to our Matnawan Miners. Would you care to share what this is?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Edwin Quintana, Director of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase International. So the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase is returning for its second year and will be held in July 5th to 12th, 2025 in Cagayan de Oro City, Mindanao. This international youth basketball tournament brings together talented young Filipino players from across the globe, including the teams from the United States, Canada, UAE, and the Philippines.
I'm here representing Coach Ronnie. The event highlights the global reach and excellence of Filipino athletes, providing a platform for youth to compete, connect, and celebrate their shared heritage through sports. By bringing the showcase to Mindanao for the first time, the organizers aim to inspire and engage more communities in the spirit of basketball and national pride. Watch the world play right here in the Philippines.
Wow! What are your names? I'm so sorry. Coach Ronnie. And then
Coach
Edmond. And of course,
Yeah, Coach Edmond.
and how about you?
Liam Run.
Okay, what's your position?
I play small forward and power forward.
Ooh.
My name is Luke Runch. I play point guard, power forward, and shooter.
Well, how about you?
Hello, my name is Logan Runch, and I play forward and center.
Wow! Best of luck to you guys.
Yes, thank you so much
Bye.
once again, Sina Liga Asha, for visiting and show that we hope you enjoyed your stay.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay.
Mga natin July 5, di ba?
Oh, thank you so much, Sinag Liga Asha.
Clinch the win there. And rightfully so. As we turn you over to our courtside reporter, Ashley, for the best player of the game.
That's the player of the game. Number 8 with 15 points, 8 rebounds, none other than Logan Ranch. Logan, congratulations on your first win in this tournament. In your first 2 games, you were hardly catching up, but in this game, you got your first win. How happy are you today?
Oh, I'm really happy. I'm just happy to I'm just happy to play with the team. I'm just happy to be out here in the Philippines and performing.
How will this win help you to get to perform better in your next upcoming games?
We're just gonna keep adding on wins. Just getting traction on this. Just keep going.
Right, lastly, any greetings to all of your fans?
Thank you for coming and watching. Thank you for supporting this. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much. That is once again our Sinag Liga Asha best player of the game, Logan Ranch.
50 against 41. New York clinching the win here on dito sa ating game number 6 for day number 3 here in your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.
I knew if putu ayaw at tukeyari
Ayawa min ikaw kakurugan nga ang aya sigami akakopon mo anam mangit iddu nikaw Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ola po ang makayaya Ngay nemi-emian na mata Paray nagwantuwari ka matay Tape manayong kagugamay Ay sindi arimangemi Kalagpaw mas kinusindi Magapapaw ka nga sinolay Nagavunaw awatu kakunay Ola pawa makayaya Ngay nemi-emian ng mata Paray nakwantuwari ka matay Tape manayong kagugamay Ay sindi arimangemi Talapaw mas kinusindi Makapapaw ka nga sinolay Kadavunaw awatu kakunay I knew if kutu ayawatu keyarigan Tapakayayaku Nikaw man nga singan Tayala na kuwan wagi ikelugaku Tuyawamu ilapawa finusimu I knew if kutu ayawatu keyarigan Tapakayayaku Nikaw man nga singan Tayala na kuwan wagi ikelugaku Tuyawamu ilapaw finusimu Tuyawamu sangaw ipaggalal
Sakan imang-imang